shave. And I'm so imagine if my arm looks so my coochie look.
Hello. I remember you. I got you. I remember the thing.
Scratch that. A joke me I make. A joke me I make. Scratch that out. A joke. Guys, you believe me? no go so. Alright? So guys, ready? We come, we have to go buy them stuff there. So tapping nice. We don't talk too much. Alright, one couldn't say my eyebrow one shave. Talk God almighty truth now. You need to say my eyebrow one shave. One couldn't have to turn for my arm. Look here, Brittany arm more higher than mine. You never see Brittany arm hole can always flat. My one not bad. You know so bad. You know if you go on so.
Wrap it up.
No, so.
Annie.
Huh?
Want me to wrap it up now?
Me come. Alright. Give me some lip gloss, guys. Lip gloss. Alright, ready? Guys, come. Turn. Bring your charger with you. That's what you're supposed to do. Close the door. Well, if you like, close that door. Close the door also. Alright. The body firm. Oh, the woman I reach up here, so I mean, don't upset the woman. The woman I work with some food. Look here, the woman is strong, you know. Oh, she reach up here, so. Alright, guys. Wait, wait. I go in night too now.
He might come.
Yeah. We say we are going night too now. Come back.
Alright, yeah.
I'm the panelist too.
Alright.
Alright, guys. Hi. Alright, so where's Mika Boo? So plug in the charger. We have to leave now. Dear, wait pound the phone and nails. Come on, guys. We're going night too now, right? We're ready for going night too? Yeah, me drop it, get the two girls them for get them nails and such, do a day official. Pardon me?
No, then book it with.
No, we book already with the. We already booked. Yeah.
No, check it out.
The beside Burger King beside Ruby's. Beside Ruby's. And for Burger King there, yeah, upstairs. Downtown. Oh no, I'm gonna take a picture. This is how my life when me depend. The people talk to me. Oh, you're not see it. They're not see it. Not gonna leave it there see at all. Hold on. We'll turn back on the camera.
Ready now?
Yeah, we're ready. Get the charger.
Yes, ready. Are you?
I ladies them for say they're ready.
I'm not ready now.
Guys, are ready? Charges. All this, baby. Charges. Turn the camera.
We can do everything unless we know. Guys, I know some mute. I'm mute, you know, I know some mute. Got time for the ad? The ad?
What is yours?
Real. tie filter.
Yeah, what now?
What am I talking about X? Something more I say. What is that?
First all man, me see everything too so clean and pretty. What you say? What you say, Windy?
What something? I don't know. I can't see. I can't see.
Exit in the back. XR ISO.
Oh.
Hey, Anina.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Them e-bus here.
X the bra. Oh.
A bra can't X because I'm a strap. It's strapped
No, you can't X in the mama.
No, and
You can't X. I didn't want to take off it. You can't X.
Come and go. Oh, it look like TT. Jesus Christ, wrong name. I like me. I tell the girl no there. A girl no there, no believe me.
Which girl?
Mika don't see. Yes, me tell her I couldn't see something on her text. Well, on her text something. Some people talk about filter and filter.
I am mercy.
But TT girl no there, I know. I sit never mean for say Anna. Come on, this because I not the panel live. Because live I got broke my vibes. Oh, in a X. Are you there for the square? Oh, all this. All this to me. Yeah? Yeah, hold it. You can hold it. Yes, if it X.
I don't hear.
Just here.
Where get one vehicle?
Yeah, then gone.
I know you buy a pair of those.
See then no good no. Come hold back your life. Come like someone.
So I told her to charge your phone. It's not here. Oh yes. Yes. What's the yes about? They're saying yes. What are you saying yes about? Okay. Alright, so this is the bar section. I used to all of the local, I would get the local counter service. Oh my god, I can't wait till everything starts. And the man, the go come cook, guys. I don't know. I want somebody to run up and down and take care of me, you know. I swear to God. Where's sound system there? Guys, where charger there? Where charger them I can plug in this? One car now. Where is the charger? Charger. Yeah, somebody don't want one car to steal